Rightio, so we just left Queenstown. We booked our Milford Sound boat tour tomorrow, so I hope we bloody make it there on time, else that's money down the drain. And that's my bucket list place to go, so we'll be getting up early for that one. Currently we're driving up Coronet Peak. Yes, amazing views. That's everywhere down here by the looks. We're going to attempt to go through Skipper's Canyon. There's a campsite at the end. Skipper's Canyon is one of the well, they say it's the 7th, I don't know if that's changed, deadliest roads in the world, so we'll give that a go. If we make it in there, I'll try and put the GoPro on the roof to capture it, but we'll see. We're just trying to make it there now. It's we seem to be making camps a bit later, so much driving in a day and trying to see things, but we'll give it a go. This is a really cool drive up this mountain anyway. But yeah, that's what's going on. We just went and booked our Milford Sound cruise in town there. They lure you in, they're very good at it. And it doesn't, helps when they're pretty good looking. Rightio, here we go. So sure, I won't bugger that. No exit. Well, we're gonna give it a crack. Give the old Honda and the Suzuki a go. Here we go. There's the lookout point at Coronet Peak. Stunning. Alright, let's do this. What do we got? There goes Jordan down the hill. Look at that cool lookout thing. Right on the edge. we just come over this bridge here to end the Skipper's Canyon.
Asleep.
Yeah. We just finished. Beer is definitely needed. Got a nice Land Cruiser over there. Top of Skipper's Canyon at the campsite. We'll just go through the schoolhouse after dinner, and then that will be us because we got a early drive tomorrow to Milford Sound. If we get out of this road. Cheers. Our schoolhouse.
Gold pen.
Donations. There you go, Skipper's School. 1879 and 1927. Let's go. It's even got that awesome noise of the door. Oh, this is cool. It's warm in here.
Yeah. Alright.
This is a classroom. Oh, so must have different sections. Minors.